Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to trade using CNBC Easy Method. Open CNBC and create a focused watch list, enable live alerts, watch market headlines, and track price reactions to news. Use CNBC charts alongside price action to confirm entries, set stop losses, and size positions. Trade with clear rules and review every trade after close to learn. Start small, limit exposure, and gradually increase position size as confidence grows. Set CNBC alerts for stocks, indices, and breaking headlines to capture momentum quickly. Customize sound and push alerts so you never miss sudden moves. Pair alerts with predefined entry and exit rules, and use limit orders to manage slippage. Review alert history each day to refine filters and reduce noise while focusing on high-probability setups. Practice alerts in a paper account to build timing and avoid emotional reactions during volatile shows. Quick recommendation: if you like gadgets, subscribe and like this video if you find these trading tips helpful. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless to tidy while you watch live CNBC action. Its mapping saves time for research. Check the description for the link and other deals, and tap subscribe for more practical trading tips. Now let's get back to the video. Use CNBC live shows to watch market sentiment and verify your thesis before entering trades. Confirm trade direction with volume and technical signals on your charting platform. Place orders with defined stop losses and profit targets, and consider scaling in to reduce risk. Keep a trading journal of setups, outcomes, and lessons to improve steadily over time. Review recordings of key CNBC segments and mark timestamps that influenced price for quicker decision-making next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.